Guys, comment down below right now $500 so that I can know if you're paying attention to this video, and let me show you 5 apps in this video that will actually make you up to $400 or even $500 without doing anything at all. And you can cash out your money in many different payment methods, and of course you can do this from basically anywhere in the world, and you only need one thing, which is your mobile phone. And you can do this on your Android phone or on your iPhone. All you gotta do is just follow my easy steps, download the apps and sign up for a free account, and boom, you're ready to go and start making money. I want you to think about this. You wake up early in the morning and check your mobile phone, and guess what you receive? You have a lot of payments in your account. You can start making money just like this while you're sitting on your couch, even while you're sleeping, and literally doing nothing at all. You can still make money over and over again, and the best thing about this is that it's absolutely free, meaning you don't have to spend any money at all to download them. But here's the disclaimer, your results may vary, so use it at your own risk. There will be days where you're going to make a lot of money, and there also will be days where you make less money. But if you watch this video, you're going to discover the 5 passive income apps that are going to pay you while you're doing nothing at all. And this is totally hand-free, even while you sleep. I will show you how to sign up and verify for free and start earning $100 and up to $400 with just your mobile phone. And you will learn everything step by step. And then you can see exactly how I do it before you go and try it yourself. But before we begin, hello and welcome to the channel. This channel is all about making money online. So if you like the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. And please give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. And now let's get started with the video. Now the first app that I want to show you is TV2.com. So the concept of this app is very simple. You can just click play and watch the video and you can start making money. You can do this on your television or on your phone, whether it's just an iOS or Android device. The reason you can make money is that you can literally click play and watch the video and just let it play in the background using different devices. Now you can do this while you go to school, while you're sleeping, and while you're doing other things. So basically all you're gonna do is download the TV2 app on your mobile phone. So if you're using an Android phone, you can just go to Google Play Store and you're going to search for this app right here. And as you can see, hundreds of thousands of people left a review and they got close to 5 stars, which is incredible. Once you download the app, make sure you go and click the app on your mobile phone or link them to your television and you can play the video and start making money. And there are literally unlimited videos and channels that you can click and start making money from them. If you guys are enjoying this video and learning something from this, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. The second app that we're gonna use to make money without doing anything is over at appkarma.io. As you can see here, you can earn rewards by playing with apps, and this is absolutely free. The reason why you can make money without doing anything is that when you download and install this app, you can instantly get 300 points, meaning you can get $3 without doing anything. You can download this app on your Android phone. You can download this app on your iPhone. So right now, this is a bonus tip which I'm going to show you. Every single day, just log into your account, go on and open this app and just claim that daily reward. And this is how you can earn money every single day without actually doing anything on this app. You can get different achievements badges, which can multiply your earnings, and you can even double or even triple your money. And one last thing about App Karma is that you can actually refer friends by sharing invite links on your app. And you can earn 30% of whatever your friends earn. So for example, when you refer people and they earn $100, you can earn an extra $30 for free without doing anything. Once again, if you're using an Android phone, you can go to Google Play Store and search for this app. And the logo looks like this. And make sure to download the right application. This is just a very simple app to use, and you have multiple ways to make money, including playing games. And also, you can earn by scratching cards, and don't forget to log in every day to claim your reward. The third app that is gonna help us to make money online is over at Cash 4 Minutes. With this app, you can make money by simply listening to internet radio broadcasts, and you can receive money every single day. And as you can see here, they are now offering weekly payouts in many different payment methods. So right here, you can see speedy payments. You can choose from weekly or monthly payments by using bank transfer, PayPal, or Amazon gift cards. And once again, this app is available worldwide. They have global access, so all you need is to have a mobile phone and an internet connection. Basically, this is how it works. You can go on and sign up for a free account on Cash for Minutes and just set your profile and then link your phone number to the app. And then you can start listening to different radio broadcasts and radio stations, and you can start earning money on this app. And here's another bonus way to make money, which is by referring a friend. As you can see here, you can invite your friends and earn 5% of whatever they earn. You can refer your friends, you can refer your family, and here's an idea. You guys can just leave your referral links down below in the description so that you can help each other out by clicking each other's links. That way, we can all make money together. Moving on to the app number 4, which is over at GetSlideJoy.com. And the reason why this app pays you money for literally doing nothing is because they want to show different advertisements on your phone. And that is the way they make money, and they pay you a small portion of that. This app actually got featured in so many major companies. So as you can see here, once you download the app on your phone, they're going to start showing different advertisements on your lock screen. As you can see here, they might show an ad about a pair of shoes. So all you gotta do is just slide that and go to your home screen. You can just ignore the advertisement and you can get paid every single day. You can go onto your Google Play Store right now and you can find this app, and the logo looks like this. Make sure to download the right application. Once again, as you can see here, almost all people here are leaving reviews and they are pretty happy. They're using this website and making money every single day. Then, as you can see here, it's literally free money. You can cash out using a PayPal account, and you can also donate to different charities. And finally, we're going to go over the last app of today, where you can make a lot of money by literally doing nothing as well. And this is over at moneysmsapp.com. So right here on this website, if you have an Android phone, you can download it for free and you can literally make money online automatically by receiving SMS. Unfortunately for this app, it doesn't work on iPhones. This doesn't work on an iOS device. And by the way, leave a comment down below and let me know if you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Once you download this app, you're going to start receiving different text messages, and you can just ignore them and you can delete them. But you can earn money passively without any action whatsoever. And once again, this app is completely free. I want you to comment down below and let me know what is your preferred method of payment. And also comment down below your country. And once again, you can withdraw your money in this website within 48 hours, which is incredibly fast. And right here on this app, they do actually have a referral program where you can refer this app to your friends or community and you can earn 30% from their earnings. And that brings us to the end of the video today. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell, that way you can be notified whenever we post new content on this channel. And also, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow for our new video. Take care guys.